but we need to be tuned to him. We need to be communicating with him for him to direct us, for him to lead us. Because even if he's leading us and telling us, oh, bless him, don't do this. Well, because I'm not tuned and I cannot even understand his voice, because God is always speaking to us. So we don't even know his voice. So I think, oh, something else is telling me things in my mind. But my sheep, they hear me and they know my voice. That's what Jesus said. So in order to be in communication with God, there's something else about hearing from God. When I don't know, but maybe your spouse or your friend or your mom or your sibling, you know their voice, right? You know their voice, even if they're speaking and there are 10 people in a room, when they talk and speak, because you've been in communication with them, you've heard them several times, talk, and you're able to, you know their voice in the midst of all other voices. It's the same way with God. But we need to be praying, we need to be communicating with Him for that to be possible.